Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you all the game passes in the Flash Earth Prime. So first, one of these game passes are not in the game passes section because I already bought it. So you can go to Season 6 Flash. I'm just using him, you don't have to use him. And so there's this button at the bottom, it says Toggle Tachyons. So as you can see, right now I can go 300 miles per hour. When I toggle the tachyons, you can go 575. I didn't tell you this about the 300 mile per hour, but you can hit this button called boost and you can go 380. So then you're the fastest you can go without buying something. Then when you toggle the tachyons, go to 475 and then hit boost, you go 555. Let's go to the next one. So next we have the Thinker. The Thinker can do many things, but one of my favorites are the force field. Well, first of all, he can force field himself, so be careful with it. He can force field all players, including himself, unless they're super big. Okay, yeah. He can fly. He can create portals. He can do an energy blast. He can do an energy beam. And that's it for the Thinker. Next, we have the Time Wraith. The Time Wraith can fly. He can see all speedsters. He can use his claws. He can also make breaches. So teleporting. Let's go to the next one. Next we have Vibe. Vibe can do something that some things cannot do. Some characters. He can turn into his alternate ego, which is Cisco Ramon. Then he can turn into Vibe. Vibe can vibe. Great name. So he can go to anybody, look at them, make a breach, and then the breach will be next to you. You can go through the breach and can be where they were at that time. Well, he's not here right now. He's over there. Next one. Actually, no. Wait, no. He can do a vibration blast. He can also do a vibration beam. And he can punch. That's it for Vibe. This is Savitar. Savitar and Red Savitar can do the same thing, they just look different. They can both do the alternate ego. This is one of the things that makes the game unique. Well, first of all, you can go 600 miles per hour. When you do the boost, you're 680 miles per hour. And then you can go through the speed force at any time, and it will teleport you. Anytime. Any speedster you can do this. You'll be running through the speed force, and then you can teleport to a different place. Oh, he can also do the lightning throw. He can phase through walls if you press 2. Yeah, I already showed you the speed force, which is 3. The blade, just a blade, then you can punch. That's it for Savitar and Red Savitar. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Be safe. Bye.